Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much salt to make sauerkraut. Use 2% salt by weight of cabbage to create a balanced brine and steady fermentation. Measure cabbage after trimming so your calculation is accurate. Stir salt into shredded cabbage and massage until juices are released and the mixture tastes pleasantly salty. Pack tightly into a jar or crock, weigh down to keep cabbage submerged, and monitor for bubbles and aroma. Start by weighing your trimmed, shredded cabbage so your salt ratio is precise. Multiply the cabbage weight by 0.02 to determine grams of salt needed for a 2% brine. For example, a 1 kilogram batch requires 20 grams of salt. Dissolve the measured salt into the cabbage while massaging to release natural juices that form the brine. Accurate measurement prevents overly salty or under-fermented kraut. If your sauerkraut tastes too salty, add fresh shredded cabbage to dilute and rebalance without losing texture. Keep fermentation temperature between 65 and 72 degrees F to maintain steady lactic acid production and avoid spoilage. For quicker fermentation, try 1, 5% salt, while 2, 5% yields slower, more complex tang. Always keep cabbage submerged, skim any clear surface film, and trust smell and bubbles as signs of healthy fermentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.